Hey guys, I put my dog outside from the leash over there, and then Gage little puppy just came outside. Hey, Bandy, stop playing with my dog. It's okay, Bandit. Bandit, it's okay. Come here, little puppy. No, Bandit, stop biting. Bandit, it's okay, Bandit. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Bandit. Bandit. Guys, I got Bandit. See, look how cute he is. Bandit, it's okay. It's okay. You wanna go down? Wanna get down? Wanna get down? It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. You smell like roses. You smell awesome. Here, there you go. It's okay, Bandit. Bandit, it's okay. Just calm down. Calm down, Bandit. Calm down. Calm down, Bandit. It's okay. Calm down, Bandit. It's okay. There you go. There's Bandit. Bandit does bite really hard. Have fun. Oh, have fun, you two. Look at them fighting. I put my dog out on leash, but then put my dog out on my dog and Bandit's my dog and Gages fighting. My dog and Gages puppy fighting. Oh my god! Oh shit! Okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe for the little puppy. Bye guys!